observation, for the talent observation. Now we will begin with the ladies. We'll call from the serial number 1 from the ladies. They came to come forward to pick the ballots and the topics she will pick. She has to speak for that. Okay, she will be speaking on the topic social media ban or boom. I repeat, social media ban or boom.
As every coin has its sides, and social media also has its own disadvantages. In this society, as well as in our generation, social media has caused many problems to people which lead them to death. And we should not abuse people through social media or internet. And we should be careful while using social media and gadgets. And also, we should note that a mental health is also a good worthy of life. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 2, Ning Dae Kim. And next, Chong Hoi Kim, contestant number 30, to come forward.
Có bộ đồ thầy đầu sẽ là tay vào là ngoài ra riêng cái chạy là không được.
Chong Hoi Kim, contestant number 13, will be speaking on women empowerment. I repeat, women empowerment.
Good evening, everyone present here. Tonight, my topic is about women empowerment. Women empowerment is a power given to the woman to use this to speak in the society, to take their own choice, and to have the right to education. If women are empowered, they can bring many more changes in the society as they have more power of endurance than men in general. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chong Kim. Now we proceed with the next contestant. Contestant number 7, Jennifer Ning, to come forward to take the ballot. Jennifer Ning, she picked the topic of impact of technology on our health. I repeat, impact of technology on our health.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight my topic is impact of technology on our health. Like a double-edged sword, technology has both bad and good sides. The good side of technology is that because of technology, we can tackle many problems. We can tackle many problems, and it has been a boon to the healthcare societies as well. And the disadvantage of technology is that because of technology, even kids nowadays has put on spec because of poor eyesight. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. That was your contestant number 7, Jennifer Ning. woman to pick on the ballot. Next, I call on to step forward. Contestant number 4, Miss Ning Tam Kim. Miss Ning Tam Kim has picked on the topic war on drugs. I repeat, war on drugs.
Good evening, everyone. The topic of pick is war on drugs. So, war on drugs is a campaign led by the United States federal government in the United States. It solely aims to reduce the consumption, production, and also uses of drugs. It has had a very big impact and saved our society because it also ends so many drug-related criminals. But the negative effect is that so many criminalization is there, and they are given inadequate amount of comfort, and it leads to so many deaths because of that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We now call once again contestant number 6, Kim Dae-hoi Daisy, to come and pick the ballot. Kim Dae-hoi Daisy picked a topic on my culture, my identity. I repeat, my culture, my identity.
Good evening, everyone. When we talk about culture and identity, it can be overwhelming to be in a country with a diverse culture. But the blood that runs deep in our veins, the traditions our parents has followed, and this all people can see it through us that I'm so sorry. People can see it, the culture.
Continue.
Do it! You can do it! Do it!
Sorry, I will start from the beginning. Belonging to a country of diverse culture can be very overwhelming, but the blood that runs deep in our veins, the culture, the traditions our parents has followed since from our forefather, that is our culture. And if people can see that through us, that makes it our identity. I hope today you can see a high-spirit woman standing before you with a high aspirations, talking to you, talking all about the culture and identity, can see that this is my identity because I am a woman with high hopes, with high spirits for the culture, for the traditions our parents have followed.
Thank you, Kim Dae-hoi Daisy. That was a beautiful answer. And next, Miss Ning Kim Kim, contestant number 1, to please step forward and take the ballot. We're so sorry. Contestant number 12, Miss Hing Pi Chong.
Good afternoon, everyone.
My topic is human rights. Human rights.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Please, another question.
Sete in so mean saving even.
Question sung phát động lệ.
Saving like that even. Ay thaya le. Sita pang aso ito po te.
Human rights here.
Mel hơi hơi to, nó sung nâu này ta.
Sorry.
Okay, we were so sorry. So there was a time span. So we'll proceed with the next contestant. Now we will. Thank you very much. Now we'll proceed on with the next contestant. That is contestant number 5, Melody Tinglaining. Melody Tinglaining has a topic on mental health.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our society really lacks of these mental health awareness programs, which is a great problem for the youth today. So let us all be kind, understanding, and be very careful with our words, because we never know what someone has to go through behind closed door, or what is the reason behind their actions. I believe that today every of us has to go through or have gone through that phase of life that is very difficult to understand and explain. So the best therapy in our society is to console or near and dear ones who can encourage us and support us in the right ways. And mental health, it depends on us, like it is the best for us to talk with our elders, have a little conversation, and that small talk will lead us to a very good impact to improve mental health. Thank you.
Thank you, that was beautifully answered. And next, we call on Miss Kim Ai Ching, contestant number 10, to step forward and pick the ballot. Miss Kim Ai Ching has picked domestic violence. I repeat, domestic violence.
Good afternoon, good evening everyone and respected judges. Domestic violence is a privilege that every individual face. It is like
Carry on.
it is not just
It is like. Carry on. Thank you.
domestic violence. It is like ho langahi achi chiting le ai ho dingahi aphat lo na kam ta umin miso saying mental health kyu hilovin domestic violence it is emotionally and psychologically I affect in. So let us build and create a world where domestic violence is unacceptable and thank you, that's all.
Go back foreigner.
Thank you to my team. Next we call contestant number 8, Lam Mei Hing. Your contestant number 8, Lam Mei Hing, just speak. A topic on financial literacy. Financial literacy.
A very good evening to all the judges and everyone present here. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on financial literacy. Well, financial literacy is just knowing the basic concept of financial management principles and then you following it in your day-to-day life. As our society is growing and catching up to the modern ways of the world, it is important that we be aware of the financial fraud and problems that exist around us. So, a strong financial literacy can be built, and this can be done by saving money for your education and for your retirement. And this is really, really important because the financial literacy, without having a concept of it, you never know how to spend your money. You may have lots and lots of money now, but then someday you'll still be indebted. Thank you, that's all.
Still good.
Thank you very much, Lam Mei Hing. Now we have the last contestant from the ladies. That is your contestant number 2, Neng Dei Kim. Contestant number 2, Neng Dei Kim, just speak. A topic on cybercrime and security. A topic on cybercrime and security.
Good evening, Kang Popi. We all know about this crimes happening online, and I think we should all be aware. These crimes are really dangerous because that can ruin your life. These crimes include hacking personal information of other people, and it's difficult to prevent every action that these people make, but it's better to be aware all the time. Your online actions, yeah.
We do online. WhatsApp online.
Yes. There's a lot of people who lose their jobs, who lose their wealth because of not being aware, not being careful about their when it comes to their actions. So I would like to tell all of you that it is important to keep track of your informations, and you have to be careful all the time. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Neng Dei Kim. With Neng Dei Kim's answer, I would like to request all the beautiful contestants of Miss Thadou 2023 to exit backstage. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our 10 semi-finalists, ladies and gentlemen. We'll proceed on with the gentlemen.
Now we have 10 Mr. 2023 top 10 finalists. We'll begin with our contestant number 14, Mr. Segun Tham. There's a reminder that you have 1 minute specific time. Saiguntang just speak. Impact of technology on our health. I repeat, impact of technology on our health. He has 1 minute.
Good evening, everyone. Technology is a human phone here, gari, ipiwa jong le fan, size of itulay sat lai tahi. Satin le fan ho ASO ki thabi chong technology hin. Kay kapazing ta jong BP asamji ama yong hi nidanga chung hospital khun aga ke vet saji ei bangin chile male hi aha saji ni man technology zalin to in aina nom ta to ba BP testing machine akiman cha ama le ama jong ke vezi the hitan choji na technology aphat chom na choji hin chute le aphat don kha chui ken le technology phone ho hin tulai chabang yang nào sen ho ge jong nào sen ho di ti aga ting le phone ko isu to bin go thang jong phone ki ve ko wa o bin na ibina ti yimut na thim yimut na umam pon jing thong ta hi bin chole na chu aphat lo na te phak kai se hin tin chan chu he ki pai
This will be a little summarization. Okay, there is an interpreter for to the panel judges. There is our brother Alex who will be able to interpret what Saiguntang just speak about. Thank you, Saiguntang. Proceed to the next contestant. Contestant number 12, Dominic Paulo Long. Dominic Paulo Long just speak the topic on corruption.
A very good day to our respected judge and everyone present here at Kampupi. Corruption. Corruption, it is a bad way of earning money. It is a power given to our leaders for the society, but it is tend to use in the bad ways. It is tend to use it for themselves, but not for the society. Even the lower section of our society is included in this corruption. So let us all take action together and stop these evil practices of earning, of corruption. In Manipur and everywhere, let us all join hands together and fight for these evil practices. Thank you.
That was Dominic Paulo Long, contestant number 12, and I will call on contestant number 9, Mr. Lalkailu. Contestant number 9, Mr. Lalkailu, has big endangered species need protection. I repeat, endangered species need protection.
Hello, Kangui. It's great to see you all. Yes, indeed. We have many endangered species right now because of the changing climate and the environment. Even in the context of Manipur, we have the sunlight. As these endangered species, they have a very high chance of extinction. This extinction of these species does not only affect the ecosystem, but it also affects our life. And the extinction of a species will ruin the balance of the biodiversity in the world. So we should protect. Firstly, in order to protect the endangered species, we need to first focus on protecting and safeguarding our environment, which is a habitat for all the humans and the animals, and especially the endangered species. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 9, Thadou, and next I call on contestant number 6, Thanglenho Anthony to step forward. Thanglenho Anthony has speak social impact of COVID-19. I repeat, social impact of COVID-19.
We've all been through COVID-19. I was there, everyone was here. There have been many deaths through this COVID-19. We had to stay indoors because nobody wanted to get sick. We couldn't get sick because if we did, we would die. That's the reason why none of us go out. There was no physical attraction between people anymore. No physical contact. No exercise, nothing. We all stayed at home. This caused the society to become distant. Now, what happened was, because of COVID-19, everybody had to stay indoors. We all had to use our phones or any other apps, TVs, to entertain ourselves. This made us lazy and it made us sick. I urge people to start doing physical activities as well. The impact of COVID-19 that has on our lives is very destructive. We should change our own habits, our own lifestyles in order to become better. Thank you.
Thanglenho Anthony, thank you very much. Next contestant, contestant number 3, Lei Min Tang. Lei Min Tang just speak. Pros and cons of online learning. I repeat, pros and cons of online learning.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Kampopi. I will be speaking on the topic pros and cons of online learning. As a student myself who spent 2 years of my college life in online classes, I can tell you this: the positive point of online classes is that there is efficiency in learning. These online classes are also quite affordable for the students. Since the students, they don't have to physically attend the classes, the students end up saving time and money. Having said that, we also have to understand that the negative points of online classes. I think one of the negative points of online classes is that there's lack of accessibility. Not everyone has the materials or the resources to even benefit through these online classes. Not every student has a good internet connection or even Wi-Fi connection to even join these online classes. Also, the students, since they don't physically attend the classes, the students and college students as well, they lack in social skills, which would be possible only through offline classes. Having said that, I would like to emphasize that no matter what, be it online classes or offline classes, what matters is your hard work, your determination, and your consistency. If you're a hardworking person, if you remain consistent, and if you are determined towards your journey, then you can achieve anything, no matter what, be it online classes or offline classes. Thank you so much.
Lei Min Tang, thank you very much. Next, our contestant number 7, Lekoson, please come forward to pick the ballot. Lekoson just pick. Why books are better than their movies? I repeat, why books are better than their movies?
Thank you so much. Good evening, one and all. It's pleased to see you all. Yeah, books are better than movies. In some parts, because when you see the movies, the actors are the characters, but when you read the book, you are the main character, and it improves your imagination. Because when you read the book, you are the character and you are the only actor, and it gives you the vision and you can do all the actings. And on the other hand, the movies are good and better because you see the vision and the places, even if it is not real,
in live, you can see the graphics because it's all real, and you see the film, the movie called Thanos, and the Avengers Endgame. You see the character. It's not in real life, but you see, you can experience it. It's like it feels like real. That's the benefits of watching movie, and let's be a better person in real life too. Thank you all.
Beautifully answered. Contestant number 7, Lad Kusul. And next we have contestant number 15, All Moon Sun, to step forward and pick the ballot. Mr. Paul Monsong has picked hard work versus smart work. I repeat, hard work versus smart work.
Good evening, everyone. My topic tonight is smart work or hard work. As the saying goes, working smart is better than working hard. I also am a strong believer in hard work. I believe it myself when I say that I can do a task or something given to me easier and quicker and much more efficiently than someone else. Of course, in some professions, hard work is a prerequisite, but if we're talking generally, I can say that smart work always wins. For instance, if my esteemed judges were to give me a task of chopping wood for a daily wage, I would rather pick up a chainsaw and cut up the wood instead of picking up an axe. So, for me, smart work will always win. Thank you.
That was the contestant number 15, Pao Monsang. And next we have contestant number 8, Hao Min-lun, to please step forward and pick the ballot. Contestant number 8, Mr. Hao Min-lun, has picked youth empowerment. I repeat, youth empowerment.
Bonun Zanpa Duni Hua Kin Topic Hilado to Hile youth empowerment here. Youth empowerment I can say don't to Hile. Do come in Japan here, Kandong Zongle. Tanina Akipitan, Ichi, a part of the Tampi women. It's all out to Pen say don't to Hile. Japan here, Kandong Zongle. About the now Lampia Tanena David starting le Jagona he Kununga in the Bangdilmun, a told him Tiohi, Amohin, Nipia Kona supporting a wine, Hello, Nipi, Nahina Banga, supporting Piwa, Ahokang Linding, Kandong and Japan is on it. Aina Bangda supporting ball wine, Amohi, Kununga in Ampu, Hello, in Ampu, enjoy sounding easy too. It's a fun war here, Lang, Kandong, Ama Hinabanga. Hong Kisailena, starting like empower Hunkipi, Ahina Bagin Tosot Zimutin, starting like Sulum Neva Hilawin, Tim Cosing with it, he can say, don't know me, Katipae.
Thank you very much. We will now call contestant number 5, Mr. Hao Lun-tan. Hao Lun-tan will speak a topic on drugs-free society.
Bibigten Nilhapo! Tua kasi hile drug-free society ahin. As we gather here, we all know the importance of creating a drug-free society.
substance abuse has become a major issue in our society, affecting individuals, families, or communities. We should work together in order to make our community free from drugs.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for the time. That was nicely done. Now we have the last contestant. Contestant number 1, Lalgulman Samuel. Lalgulman to speak a topic on impact of education. Impact of education.
Education ही अथुपी दानी बानोई लो सोजेगेन चुले education उनकी पानी स्कूल आपा नहीं है स्कूल उनका है ना education उनके लोग हैं इधर ना जो हम स्कूल आपा नहीं खाए बिन तेरा education ही नहीं बिन है इन सिमते बिन ये थे वो नहीं जी education है बानोई ले से कुंपी चपन ना पेन जी ले हट ना AP बिन क्यों तो थे ना पावन हामा कोना जम क्यों तो मत थे ये बिन Sedale, education ni himi zalayong sinthum dahin sedale ni ngai sang ni zayong changji ni e izatun education hi your society sinong dia ko din mihim chu henge atase yang kim ji kim mo poi aponong kim me ahin atase wa su tase lo din education ni your society la hu mai le Ilang sunyo kita intake akan jalan. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Mipite hoina sa nawang kolangwai.